When someone lands on your site, the faster they can contact you, the better the experience, and the higher your chances of making a sale. That's why in this video, I'll show you how to add WhatsApp chat onto your Elementor site using WPChat. WPChat is a powerful WordPress chat plugin that lets your site visitors reach you instantly through messaging apps they already use, such as WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, and Facebook Messenger. You can purchase it and download it from WPChat.com and head to your WordPress dashboard. Now on our site, on the left-hand side, we can hover over plugins and click Add Plugin. Then at the top, we can click on Upload Plugin, upload the zip file for WPChat, and click Install Now. Once installed, click Activate Plugin. And now WPChat has been installed and activated, so we can click on Setup. For the first step, we can enter a WhatsApp phone number. This is the phone number your site visitors can reach you on through WPChat. You can type it in like this and click Next. On step number 2, we can choose a theme for the design of the chat assistant. Currently, we can see the basic one selected, and you can see a preview down here. Alternatively, you can go with the night theme or pastel. Select the one you like the most, and for now, we're going to go with the basic one and click Next. Here we can customize WPChat's visibility on your site. You can choose to display it on all pages or only on specific ones. If you go with all pages, you can add exclusions underneath. You can exclude it from pages, categories, tags, and custom post types. If you want to add an exclusion, for example, excluding it from a certain page, we can type in the page here, such as the contact page. And now WPChat will be displayed on all areas of your site apart from the contact page. To remove an exclusion, just click on the X icon here, and that will be removed instantly. And if we go with only displaying it on specific pages, you can do the inverse and add inclusions at the bottom. Let's say we add our contact page once again, but this time, WPChat will only show up on the contact page. You can configure the visibility to your liking, but for now, I'm going to go display it on all pages and click Next. For the last step of setting up WPChat, we'll have to enter the license key for the plugin. You can find it inside your account on WPChat.com. Copy it, paste it here like this, and click Activate. And there we go. The license key has now been activated, so we can click on Complete Setup. And straight away, WPChat is now live on our site, and it's good to go. To check out what it looks like, we can click on Preview, and we'll see what that looks like on our site. We have the WPChat button that will appear on all pages of our site, and once clicked, the chat assistant will open up, and it looks like this. At the top, it says How can we help you? Followed by a button to send a message on WhatsApp, Telegram, Instagram, or Messenger. When a site visitor clicks on that, WPChat will ask them which platform they'd like to talk on. And if they select WhatsApp, it will be connected instantly with the WhatsApp account that you added during setup. Adding WhatsApp chat to your Elementor site like this is perfect for service-based businesses, e-commerce stores, and agencies that want faster communication with their clients. It's direct, personal, and works instantly, which means fewer drop-offs and happier customers. And now that our chat assistant is live, we can also go and customize it to match your brand and website. Click on Customize, and in this menu, you can see all the options we have to customize our chat assistant. On the left-hand side, we can modify the theme, and you'll see the 3 options we chose from before. In case you change your mind, you can modify that here. Let's head back, and if we go into Color Palette, you can modify the color scheme of your chat assistant. Beside Accent, you can click on this button here, and slide through to see all the colors available. But to make it easy for you, we've also got some presets below. You can go with the default one, Mystic Bloom, WhatsApp, WhatsApp Dark, or Minimal. Let's go ahead with the WhatsApp preset and click Save on the top right corner. Next, we can also modify the header at the top of the chat assistant. Click on the header menu, and you can modify it here. Type in anything you want, for example, hey there, need help? Or something like, questions, we got answers. You can get creative and write something that matches your brand personality. For now, let's go with, how can we help you today? If you make any changes, just click on Save on the top right corner. Next, you can edit the WPChat icon that will appear on the bottom right corner of your site. Go into the icon menu, and you have 6 options you can choose from. Go ahead and select the one you like the most, and click Save on the top right corner. When you interact with the WPChat chat assistant, the responses come from the assistant avatar. You can see that here. If you were to modify this, on the left-hand side, go into Assistant Avatar. Currently, we have the default WPChat logo, but alternatively, you have 5 more you can choose from, such as Juno, Terra, Quark, or even Pixie. And if you want to add your own, you can click on Add Your Own at the bottom, and upload a profile picture for your new avatar, and give it a name as well. This can be useful to help your chat feel more personal and on brand, helping visitors trust and connect with your business instantly. If you add a custom avatar, just click on the Add button, and it will show up as an option here. But for now, let's continue with Terra, and click on Save on the top right corner. We can also customize the different labels for the sections inside the chat assistant. Starting with the Send Us a Message button, let's go into that. And here we can see the text boxes for the heading and subheading we see inside the button. We can modify this and say something like, get support instantly, and for the subheading, we can type in, on WhatsApp, something like this. And at the top of the button, we also see the WhatsApp icon. That's because we got icons enabled here. This will show all the supported platforms for the users to get in touch with you on. And currently we've got WhatsApp connected, so it's displayed here. If you want to hide that, just toggle this off, and you'll only see the text for that button. But for now, we want to keep that on because it makes it obvious that site visitors can connect with you on WhatsApp. If you make any changes, click Save on the top right corner. Next, underneath that, we can also modify the label for the frequently asked questions. But for now, we're going to keep that as is and continue on to the WPChat branding at the bottom. If you want to keep your site fully on brand, you can disable this. On the left-hand side, beside WPChat branding, just click on the eye icon to hide it from your chat assistant. And that looks really good to me, so we can click on Save to save our final changes. Alright, so now we've set up WPChat and customized the chat assistant to match our website. Next, before we check out what it looks like live on our Elementor site, let's add some frequently asked questions. This can be really helpful to reduce repetitive support questions by giving customers instant answers. Let me show you. So if we go into frequent questions, we can click on this button here to add our first question. At the top, we can type in the question like this: where can I track my order? And underneath that, we can add the answer. Something like this. Along with the answer, you can also add an image if you'd like to. Once you're done, just click Save Changes. Let me fast forward and add a second question too. And there we go, I've added 2 FAQs, so we can now click on Preview to see what that looks like. We have our chat assistant window, and now underneath FAQs, we have the 2 questions that we added. If a site visitor clicks on this, you'll see the question here, and you'll see the instant response from our chat assistant. Right away, you can see how helpful this can be when answering repetitive questions. And not only that, it also helps build trust and improve the shopping experience by keeping visitors informed. Let's finally go into our live Elementor page and test out our chat assistant. Here we are now on our live Elementor web page, and on the bottom right corner, you'll see the WPChat button. If we click on it, our chat assistant window automatically opens up, and if someone wants to connect with you on WhatsApp, we can go ahead and click on this button here, Get Support Instantly on WhatsApp. It will then ask us which platform we'd like to talk on, and we can click WhatsApp, and we'll be connected instantly. In just a few clicks, your site visitors or customers can connect with you instantly in a familiar and convenient way, helping you answer their questions faster, build trust, and close more sales. Inside our chat assistant, if we head back, we can also check out the FAQs we added. We can see them down here, and if I click one, we'll see the instant response from our chat assistant. And that's how we can easily add WhatsApp chat to our Elementor website. If you have any questions about what I covered in the video, please let me know in the comments below. If you have any issues, please contact our awesome support team and they'd be happy to help you out. And this is only the start with WPChat. With this powerful tool, you can add multiple agents, create chat funnels, and view analytics to see how your chat assistant is performing. You can click on the videos on your screen right now to learn about everything WPChat has to offer. And please consider subscribing to WPChat for more tutorials on boosting engagement, automating replies, and growing your business right from your WordPress website. Thanks for watching.